guys, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be going out for the very first time in winter because I've just been indoors like throughout, if you guys noticed. So we'll be hanging out with our friend, my friend, a double date. So her and her husband and me and my husband as well. So we'll be going to Cheesecake Factory and I'm about to just get ready, you know, get ready, and then we'll start heading out. I wanted to wash the car but it was already too late, so I'm like, my husband will wash it for me tomorrow. So yeah, I actually need to pick a top and trouser that I'm going to wear. I haven't like really thought about it, but I'll figure something out. But now I want to have my bath, go apply some makeup, and I think I'm going to be wearing a hat because my hair is like really old, so that's what I'm going to do. Let me go and find clothes that I'm going to wear first.
Always looks good when you try to fake a smile. Glitter dress makes me feel cute when I'm trying not to cry. I'll take a picture.
So for foundation, I'm gonna be using the new Tint Lada or something. I've been looking for where to wear this to, but I never had the opportunity to go out since I bought it. So now that I'm going to go out, I'm gonna be using it. So the shade I'm using is 500 Suede W. So that's it here.
My bedroom, then post it online. Tag location is LA. I'm living my best life. Can't win this game, pretty or insane. Can't win, still play pretty or nah. I got 1,500 friends online, and they all double tap over my life. 1,000.
Ooh, that's so pretty. So just gonna put on my wristwatch.
500 friends online. Then why do I find myself all alone tonight?
Good morning. So I just finally succeeded in losing my hair. I'm just gonna try to attempt to brush through it. That's my husband. He ran away when he was supposed to help me lose my hair. Now that I finished the hair, you're now showing your face, have you? Eh? Man has a lot of muscle. Well done. I cut my hair like mistakenly, so this place is half. Cut it into half. Guys, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm doing a couple of things and just prepping for Christmas. So I do need to go to the African store. I called them to find out if they had cocoyam and they confirmed that they do, so I'm going to be going there. Hopefully before I arrive would have like actual like regular yam. I also do plan on getting those ones, and I need to get chicken, more chicken for Christmas. I think we used up the ones we had, so I need to get 2 more and some soup ingredients, you know. Then from there I'm going to just go to the salon close by and have them do like cornrows on my hair. That shouldn't take that long, and then probably get lunch for us, so I won't be pressured to cook today. So I'll just get rice and some beef from the African restaurant close by to the place that I'm going to, and then bring some for babe as well. But first I have to wash my hair, condition it, and I have to remember to take my brush. I don't like them using like their own brush on my hair because I don't know, like they're not very hygienic. Like you will see like clumps of hair, like very dirty comb. I don't know how they manage to use those comb on people, like, don't you think? So anyways, I'm going to be taking my own. I need to find my tail comb in as I go there with me. I also need to clear the mess that I created when I was losing my hair. I already said wash my hair and then we can start heading out. I'm still going to be wearing this same clothes I wore yesterday. Just put on the jacket and my pajamas and put on some socks and some Crocs, and we'll start heading out. Okay, so I'll see you guys once I'm ready to leave the house. Let me go brush my teeth and wash my hair because it feels so good. I can't wait to pour water on my hair, you know. I'll see you guys. So subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, so make sure you subscribe. The previous video you guys saw before this was from yesterday, and because I didn't have a lot of content for yesterday, so I'm sorry, I had to just clamp it into today. But I was looking too fine yesterday that I just had to impute it, so bear with me if you felt like the video or the clip from yesterday was just pointless. But yeah, it's been a long time since I did makeup on my face, so it felt really good and I wanted to share that with you guys. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get shit done because I do need to leave the house in like an hour. The hair is so thick that you can't, like, you have to actually like straighten it a little bit for it to be able to pack. Yeah, even when I did it the last time, it didn't really pack. I just arrived at the African store. I had to put the towel on my headrest because my hair is still wet, and I applied some leave-in conditioner. So right now I think I'm going to go place my order at the African restaurant, and then from there I'll go and find out how much it's going to cost them to do like cornrows on my hair, and then from there I'll go pick out some stuff and then go back and make my hair, if that makes any sense. So let's do that. If they see pink bag now, they'll think I have money, so let me hide the bag a little bit.
Many hardworking families continue to struggle.
What? Yes, I am. So yeah, I just arrived at one of my favorite African restaurants. Their jollof rice tastes the same every day I come here, and that's why I keep coming here, because one, it tastes nice, and then it tastes nice all the time, exactly the same. So I don't like people messing around with my taste. So, but yeah, I'm very comfortable buying their jollof rice and beef. So if ever you're in Minnesota, you should definitely check them out. I think it's called African Deli. No, Taste of Africa Deli.
I can fix that.
Finally at the African store, and I'm here to get some cocoyams. I already called him. The guy is my friend, so I asked him to help me keep some cocoyams, so he did. And luckily, he was right. They were already running out. I'm also going to get some goat meat. My husband has been craving some goat meat, so I'm going to get that for him, and then get some hard chicken, salt as well, because we ran out of salt, and any other thing that catches my eye. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys quickly the African store that I go to and what I typically shop whenever I come here. The guys here are very nice, so I always come back, even though it's a long drive from home, but I always come back. So this is the guy I was talking about.
Hi everyone.
Hi. Thank you.
Nice,
thanks. So you already kept it, right? How many did you get? This one is even small. You would not have this
No, I have
size.
more.
Okay.
I checked some for you already.
Yeah, I just
whether-
picked extra. How many did you pick for me? Oh, thank you. Yes.
I think this will be enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the yam did not come yet.
He didn't come. Do you know what time it's gonna come? Because I want to go and braid my hair, so I'll still be around for a little bit. Some goat meat without the skin on, because with the skin on, if you oil it and it becomes too soft, I don't know, for some reason I don't like it when it's like extremely soft. Some mackerel fish. So yeah.
Okay.
So now let's get some salt. I like the pots that I'm seeing on top here. I feel like it's gonna be too hard. Cast alum now. I like the way they cut, like they portion theirs. The one I normally buy from the other African store, it's usually too big, so you can't finish it. And then the one that is left over is not enough to prepare a whole this thing, you know.
Yeah. You owe me
You have 3?
I think I should grab one more spinach.
And take $40 for king.
Okay, the balance is $37.94.
Here is that.
Chicken and jollof rice. That's what's happening.
That's going to sound good.
I know, right?
I've never tried Nigerian jollof rice.
Are you serious? Oh, if I had cooked now, I would have brought some for you, but don't worry, next time. My hand is so cold, I can't even feel what I'm touching. Yeah, I'm just gonna buy a few. Alright, no wala. Bye.
Yeah, alright, thanks.
I just called my husband. He was supposed to help wash the car. He has been avoiding it because I've been asking him since 1 month now. So eventually I would have to go do it myself. But my my hair, I don't know, it's not even, but I mean, we're gonna have to manage it. And also it's not straight, but then again, their hands are never straight. The last time I did braids, it was not straight as well, but we're gonna deal with it. So right now I'm going to be on my way to car wash to wash the car, and then from there what was it I wanted to pick up at Target? I can't remember. Maybe more fruits, orange to make some fruit juice. Like, it skipped my mind right now. And yeah, then I'll start heading home.
You try to wear a lie. No makeup won't make me cute when I'm trying not to cry. The internet adores me, always standing by my side. They just think I'm in LA, so nobody has stopped by. Can't win this game, pretty much insane. Can't win, still play pretty much now. I got 1,500 friends online, and they all double tap over my life.
Bunke recommended this to me, melatonin for sleeping. Guys, whenever I want to sleep, I just take like 2 tablets. I know 2 is a lot, but I find that 1 doesn't really work for me, but 2 just knocks me out like instantly. There's definitely weed in this thing. There's nothing anybody can tell me about it, but yeah, it works really good for just helping you relax and sleep. I slept very well. I'm just feeling really good with myself, and I just want to relax and not stress myself at all. So I'm just going to be putting everything away and then hopefully cook tomorrow. So, by the way, my friends at the African store, they gave me some gift, 2 packs of wheat oatmeal. I bought oatmeal, I don't know this, but I didn't want it to be somehow. But I now have like 3 oatmeals. My husband doesn't like oats, so I'm basically going to have to finish this myself. Orange and jalapeno pepper, not pepper. Okay. Oh, I got some plantain. I leave this plantain till tomorrow. It's gonna be too soft, so I might fry this ones this night. And also make some beans and plantain. That's why I got a lot. So that's what I'm gonna do. So if I leave it till tomorrow, it's going to be too soft. Just making sure I don't buy that one. Cocoyam, thank God. Just gonna take this one here. I got 2 pieces of unripe one. I wanted to use the air fryer to roast it. So I'm just gonna leave that one. Bowl bread. What I wanted to get yesterday, like at Walmart. I thought I got 2 oats. I was like going to be so pissed at myself. But yeah, the oats that I got. Some salt. I'm gonna put all. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer outside. Yep. And guys, that's basically it for today. I would just try to do a little editing, watch some reviews on Sony tripod, and watch some Fuji House of Commotion. If you guys don't already know me, I love watching old Nigerian movies, old Indian movies. The content there are usually better than the newer ones, you know, so that's one thing I like to do. Then tomorrow I have to clean the house again and start prepping for Christmas. I don't know if I should cook the day before Christmas or on the day of the Christmas. I think it makes sense to cook before, so Christmas I'm just like relaxing with family and just chill. I'm going to be making rice, okra soup, cocoyam soup, fried plantain, beans and plantain. So 5 things that I'm cooking, and I'll make them in large quantity, and then just basically meal prep. You know what meal prep is, and divide them into packs and put them in the freezer. So whenever anybody gets hungry, they can easily just go pick one and microwave and eat. That's pretty much it with today's day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and yesterday's clip. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up, like this video, and join the family by subscribing. Should you decide to subscribe, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I have a new video on my channel. I checked my analytics and I discovered that many of you subscribing don't actually have your notifications on, and that's why my videos are not really doing well, I guess, one of the reasons. But yeah, I'll definitely turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I have a new video up. My food is ready and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.